Hey YouTube, today we're opening up a box of Topps Heritage 2020. Look for Real One autographs and relic cards. And this is a set that mimics the 1971 Topps design, which is an all black border. So I'm going to be very careful with opening these up. Okay, I had bought it from a company, trading card company, and the box was beat up, and I'm hoping that this little crush of the side of the box didn't affect the cards. I don't think so. I'm not gonna make a big deal about it, but let's start the break. This first box I've opened this kind. Hopefully get us some Real One autographs in red ink. That's the popular, the sought after cards of the rookies, and they're real on-card autos. So that's what I'm looking for. That's the reason I picked this up. It was a Father's Day special, so I got this fairly cheap. Looks like it's 3 exclusive Heritage cards inside. Okay, that's cool. All right, so let's get to our break. First one. As you can see, they're all black borders, so it's going to be tough to keep these, keep those corners sharp and keep them from being dinged up. Josh James, Kevin Kramer, Clayton Kershaw, future Hall of Famer. Joe Jimenez, Alex Verdugo, Chase Anderson, Ryan Zimmerman, Junior Fernandez, and Randy Arozarena, I guess, rookie cards. Put that to the side. And Nolan Arenado, great ball player there. Go to second pack. Excited to get this box and hoping to get some future stars. Jay Bruce, Ender Inciarte, Danny Jansen. It looks like we got a chrome card right behind there. Zach Plesac, Johnny Cueto. Rookie set of Brian Abreu, Abraham Toro, and Rogelio Armenteros. I think that's what it is. Toki Toussaint. A couple more rookies. Lewis Thorpe and Bruce Dar. Great roll. And we are going to get a Max Muncy. Nice. Max Muncy short print /99. Awesome. I'll put that in the sleeve. It's a good card to get. Hopefully he pans out for the Dodgers. Put in our next pack. Miguel Cabrera, another future Hall of Famer. Victor Reyes, never heard of him. Yadier Molina, another Hall of Famer. Future Hall of Famer. Spring Career Power All-Stars and the trash can incident, right? So I'll put that to the side. You never know. We got, I guess that's Bert Blyleven. 20 wins, hurls 4 hits, shutout? Or 20, what is this? What's the 20 mean? Oh, he's 20 years old. That's a cool card. Bert Blyleven, I always like Bert Blyleven. Nasty curveball. Jose Peraza. Marcus Semien, a couple more rookies, T.J. Zeuch and Jordan Romano, and Will Smith, who's a popular Dodger with his rookie, all-star rookie trophy there in front. Like I said, I'm I'm hoping for I'm hoping for some red ink here. Matt Carpenter, Brian Reynolds, Steven Matz, Chris Taylor, Delino DeShields Jr., Sam Coonrod, Correa, Carlos Correa, Gary Sanchez, pretty cool card there, and Brandon Workman. Sometimes these cards also have gum on the back or red ink. Check that real quick. Nope, don't see that. Or red back on it. Most likely to come in these kind of boxes. Okay, Andrew Henley, Trucker Barnhart, David Bote, Kenta Maeda, Zach Britton, Vince Velasquez, Joe Panic, RBI leaders Abreu, Bogart, and Soler. And Rafael Devers, who could be a decent player in the future. Let's turn that off. I'm not sure if you can hear that air conditioner. So Josh Naylor, World Series champions, the Washington Nationals. Insert Lance Lynn, Ranger Suarez. There's Willie Mays, Seals Stadium. Greggy holds Washington to 1 run. Insert Gregory Polanco. We got some rookies here of AJ Puck, who I think is going to be a tremendous player. And another one, Jesus Luzardo, which I heard much about. I don't know, I haven't seen him really throw, but I heard he's pretty good. Nick Markakis. I'm going to sleeve this one because of the 2 stud rookie pitchers there. You never know. C.J. Cron, Whit Merrifield, Mark Melasson, Adam Ottavino, then and now insert Catfish Hunter and Justin Verlander. Oh, Bo Bichette, nice. Put that down for a second. Pedro Baez, Michael Givens, and Mike Leake. So Bo Bichette, I'm going to sleeve him. Anthony Kay is with him. Never heard of him. And we're going to our last pack of the first pile. And we do have something there. You can see some white. You see some white there? Yep. Okay, Colby Allard. Jed Geico. Okay. Put this on top. Leave the best for last. Ken Giles. Zach Elfine. Dinelson Lamet. That's why I miss baseball. I don't know how to pronounce these names. Luke Jackson. Anibal Sanchez. And let's see what we have here. Oh, it looks like a White Sox. 27. Oh, Lucas Giolito. That's a pretty good ball player. I think he's going to be a stud for many years to come. And that's a Club Collections. Congratulations, you have just received a Club Collection relic card from 2020 Topps Heritage Baseball. White Sox pitcher Lucas Giolito. All right. Hopefully, that's not all we're going to get in this break. Hopefully, we get an auto. Okay, again, World Champs, World Series Game 4. Bergman Grand Slam against Washington. Insert. Eric Hosmer. Miguel Rojas. Randall Grichuk. Michael Brantley. Scott Oberg. Tom Murphy. Antonio Sensatella. And Wilmer Flores. Not much there. So that means this one's going to be good. Let's get an auto here. Come on. I think this box cost me about $60. Daniel Murphy. Omar Navarez. A little... Oh, we got some... No, we didn't get some. Cam Bedrosian. Aaron Sanchez. Another Willie Mays. 1950. Polo Grounds. U.S. Army Induction Center. I guess that's when he first entered the Army. Justin Wilson. Jose Barrios. Cal Quantrill. Another World Series insert. I always liked the 1971 design. My brothers collected it for a year, so I have some old 1971s. Mike Freeman, Alex Dickerson, Anthony Descalfini, Tom Pham, Aaron Savale, Bobby Bradley, rookie. Never heard of those guys. Sean Doolittle, Josh Hader, Sandy Alcantara, and we have a Game 5 American League champion, and then Paxton's there pitching a gem. So I'll go with the inserts. Yeah, so my brothers collected it, and I remember that they brought it down to Mexico, my aunt. And my aunt, they left them there, and then years later, she just used it for to heat the house. She burned like Reggie Jackson cards, Pete Rose cards, pretty funny. And she didn't know she was burning money. Ty France, Kevin Pillar, but there were some salvaged, but unfortunately they weren't the best cards. I did get a Hank Aaron, but it was pretty beat up. Drew Varhagen, Jose Martinez, J.D. Martinez, Caleb Smith, Calvin Biggio, doesn't look like it's a rookie, Chad Pinder, and Ketel Marte. All right, getting nervous here. 3 packs left, no autos so far. Let's go, big bucks right here. Let's see, do we have? Oh, we got something. Zach Davies, Adam Engel, Starling Castro. Oh, scratch off Vladimir Guerrero. Cool. Let's see if we have anybody else that's any good here. No. Let's open this up, see what it looks like. Can I open this up? Oh, yeah. It's already looks scratched off a little bit. That's cool. I'll take that. The other scratch off I did get, I got it through a fat pack, and it was Francisco Lindor, but this should be Vladimir Guerrero's rookie. So it's a nice pull there. Love Vladimir Guerrero. Saw his father play. He was a monster. I don't think he would be like his father, but you never know. His father was a legend, Hall of Famer. Matt Adams, Jordan Yamamoto, Izan Diaz. Let's see, did we get anything here? Doesn't look like it. Lordy Gurdiel Jr., Trevor Richards, Gio Urshela, New Age Performers, Jorge Polanco, Ryan Presley, home run leaders, Jorge Soler, Mike Trout, Alex Bregman, and Nelson Cruz, and the Chris Bryant. Final pack. I don't think we're getting an auto. That stinks. That really stinks. It's not looking good, but we'll see. Harold Ramirez, Rowdy Tellez, Strasburg, Max Fried, Dakota Hudson, and Clayton Kershaw, pitching leaders. Ian Kennedy, Jiao Men Chow, I guess, Mike Mikolas, Archie Bradley, and other pitching leaders with Verlander, Cole, and Eduardo Rodriguez. Alex Colon we finished with. So, best cards are Vladimir Guerrero scratch-off. I really don't know how much that's worth right now, but it should be pretty decent. Lucas Giolito, who's going to have a great career as long as he stays healthy. Got a Bo Bichette rookie. AJ Puck and Jesus Luzardo rookie. And we did get a short print up to 99 of Max Muncy. So let's see. Hopefully we get some good ones from the 3 exclusive Heritage cards inside. Bummer we didn't get an auto. But maybe they'll make up with it something here. Let's see. Oh, we have a short print of Gary Sanchez. Oh, these are short prints. Okay, cool. Alex Young, Zach Gallen. Oh, and a Michael Chavez. Also short print, 99. And we got a chrome. Gary Sanchez, cool card, to 571, which is pretty neat. So those are short prints. That's cool. I was expecting like maybe a different color parallel, but I didn't think they would be serial numbered. This one is to 99 of Michael Chavez. I think I'm pronouncing that right. And 2020 rookies, Alex Young and Zach Gallen. It looks pretty beat up on the side. But they're older rookies except for Gallen. Gallen's 95, so he's got some years to go. But not a bad break. Could have been better. I think the best card is the Vladimir Guerrero scratch-off card. Max Muncy's not too bad, but it's not his rookie. I guess I'll check if there's any gum in the back, gum stains. I'm sure there's some short prints here, but I'm not looking for that right now. Looks like all the backs are the same. Check this pile. No. I always wanted to get one of those gum sticker looking cards, these modern cards, but it doesn't look like we're going to get them. All right, YouTube, don't forget to hit the like button. As you can see, our polls. Also subscribe to my channel. I will be bringing more content. We have a PSA order coming in tomorrow of 100 cards and a BGS this week of 6 cards. I'm really excited about that, and I will make sure that you see me open them up. I do not know what the grades are, so it's going to be exciting to open them up and see what we pull. All right, good night, YouTube. Remember, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.